everybody, this is Mike here from Food Travelers, and in this mini, I'm staying at the Grand Sierra Resorts and Casino in Reno, Nevada. The room that I got is the Sierra 2 Queen room, and these rooms are typically on the floors 1 to 16. And the room size is about 448 square feet. And as you enter the room to the closet side, you see and find their in-room safe, ironing boards, and a place to hang your jackets and a luggage rack. And in the bathroom, there's quite a bit of stuff. You have like your hair dryer, a bunch of towels, and all the bath amenities that you need. I did want to mention a few things here in the bathroom. The water pressure is not very good. It gets warm and it gets hot pretty quickly, but the pressure itself is not very good. And the age of the hotel, you can see through from the bathroom or the shower door itself. It's kind of just peeling off there. It's not very good, but the room itself is pretty bright, I think, with the big window. And so that's something I did want to mention. The hotel itself is kind of in a secluded area. It's away from a lot of things. You can see a Walmart in the near distance, and from one of the Uber drivers that I spoke with, they did mention that it's located in a industrial area. So when sleeping here, I can hear a bunch of people walking around and kids running up and down the hallways. It's not very well insulated in terms of the walls or anything. I can also hear the train in the distance as well. So that's something to be aware of. Some of the things you can do at this hotel is they do have a bowling alley, they have a gym, a theater, and they have this ice rink at this time of recording. And they also have a driving range, which is pretty cool. The driving range, you can hit the golf balls into kind of like their own little islands, which is really neat. And in this room, it does come with 2 free bottles of water, a coffee maker, and the fridge is surprisingly really large. One of the largest ones I've seen in a long time in a hotel room. And there is a pretty big TV, and there's plenty of storage for all your stuff that you have, and there's plenty of plugs too. It's really nice whenever they have one of these hotel clocks with multi plugs in there. But one thing you do want to make sure is always check for the alarm. So one thing I did not know, that the previous person who stayed here, alarm actually went off at 6 a.m. So that kind of woke me up and it was unpleasant. So make sure you check the alarm and turn it off if you're staying here.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.